What's going on, man? Y'all see I'm back. Y'all see I'm back with another video. Man, it's been a minute. Really had like a little hiccup, bro. Funds ain't been funding, so that's why the videos kind of slowed down. So now what I'm doing, really I'm putting my dash in the installation and stuff like that. I just been, y'all know how all that stuff go, man. You just don't feel like doing something, so it kind of been prolonged. But the day I decided to do it, not today, but actually a few days ago, I decided to go on and do the dash and everything. I found out that the bolts to my AC and stuff, like I put them in the bag, they just gone. So now, you know, the car I've been buying parts and stuff from, bro really looked out. He keeping the car actually until I'm done getting parts off of it. Then he gonna scrap the car. So technically speaking, like, this is a whole blessing, like bro keeping the car. He said I'm gonna keep it, you know, so you can get whatever else you need off of it, but when you done getting the parts, I'm gonna scrap it. So that's a huge blessing. So shout out to my boy. But yeah, man, no further ado, I guess let's get into the video. This is indeed the car. Been getting hella stuff off of here. Whew, and me looking at it look like I gotta grab some more stuff. Nah, that should be it. So really, y'all, I'm just getting the screws off of this, and then the inside, probably take that grommet. I don't know yet. Nah, I'm probably gonna take it. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, yeah, man, let's get into y'all watching me get screws. Alright, so I ended up grabbing more stuff. Got a master cylinder because I know mine shot. This was open when I picked the car up from the junkyard, so I know the master cylinder gone. I actually had to grab a little bit more bolts, but I got everything I need. Yeah, I could have went to the parts store and bought some bolts, but that was gonna be way higher than what dude charged me. Noticed that I needed this brake line. Didn't feel like breaking it from right there, so I took the whole thing. Feel me? So I don't wanna I ain't really wanna record me, you know what I'm saying, getting parts off the car, and I had to get all under the dash and stuff, and I ain't want to do all that. So hopefully I grabbed everything. I don't know, I might come grab a little bit more stuff, like little tedious, like for this right here. I'll probably come back and get this just so I can block the hole in my car. Might grab this, you know, for a grommet. I don't know what this for. I guess it's for the hood. But yeah, a little small stuff I actually might order. So we don't know, man, but finna pay this man, drive to the crib and get y'all an update on how far I made it. Like I said, I ain't really make it that far because I couldn't find the bolts. But yeah, so I'm gonna just show y'all the update, and that's gonna be it for the vid. Alright, y'all, let's get into the house. Show y'all like the progress. Like I said, it's not much at all. And like for my new subscribers, like I'm dropping an LS in this. If y'all ain't seen my old videos, please go check them out. You feel me? I'm putting an LS in here. I had got this from a junkyard earlier this year. All of this was just boofed. I cleaned it up, sanded down, primed it. I want to say I primed the sand too. I meant the I sand the primer too. Then I hit it with this black. It just looked hella dusty, and it is hella dusty. You feel me? So I'm doing that. Okay. Oh, I got to show y'all the inside. So this is like where I left off. Boom. I didn't have what's the name right here. I cleaned it up. I sprayed it down with the rust preventative. Oh, I still got my brake. I ain't even know it. Oh well. What else I did? Well, as y'all see, like, it just really Left is just insulation, of course, carpet. I still got to spray that. I had like a little leak, so I had to put trash bags right there. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully I find that. But other than that, I just got to put the insulation all back here. I bought the rest of the insulation. I'm probably gonna patch up like the hose. What else I did? Oh, I went ahead and soldered my wires on that side. So now it's left with this side, and I'm actually gonna do that last. I'm gonna put my door, at least put my door stuff on. I'm probably ain't gonna run carpet back here, so yeah. But yeah, that's the progress for now. I mean, I ain't make much, but I was just able to clean this up, spray paint that, throw that insulation in. Feel me? Got to do the other side, finish the rest of the insulation, throw my dash in. I'm gonna do all that in one day. I end up getting my body harness that actually goes right here. So the dash got a harness that comes right here. You bolt it up on these two holes. Then the body harness go like to the lights and all the other stuff. And after that, y'all, begin the engine harness. I'm probably gonna run it through here. And we good to go. You feel me? You feel me? And we good to go. So I guess till next time, I appreciate everybody for tuning in. And for some reason, hey, I gotta ask something for my subscribers. So for some reason, my Z28 LS build is not getting as many love or views. Well, it's not getting as much love and less views than as for 4th gen. The 4th gen ain't even a build. Like, y'all know it's kind of like the same platform as far as like, I guess the FBody status. Say this a unibody. I mean, but yeah, I mean, I want y'all to drop in the comments, like the people that watch all my 4th gen videos, why y'all like the 4th gen more than the 3rd gen. It's the 3rd gen is gonna be faster than the 4th gen, and I made the channel for the 3rd gen. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. I guess everybody mess with the 4th gen, but to all my 4th gen people, man, I got some heat on the way. I'm just waiting on a call from the people. Then, whoo, man, y'all really gonna be tuned in. Y'all, man, oh, I can't say too much. Y'all just gotta tune in. And I guess that's gonna be it for the video. Until next time, I'm out.